putting words in my mouth. Okay, I did not say nothing about that shit.
Okay, tell us what you said. Want to tell us what you said?
Back end, when Korea and Armani left, I talked to him on the back end in Boss Life, and we were all talking. It was fine. That was it. But then when they came back, I was in the dark about what was going on. And so that's why it came up again on Bigo, because that happened over a month ago. I could have been, if I wanted clout, I could have been said something about it, and I didn't. So what the fuck are you talking about? I didn't say no dumbass shit like he didn't pick me, and so now I'm sad, and now I'm on a rampage, and like, what the fuck? You're putting words in my mouth. That's extra as fuck.
Okay, I believe what you're saying, but are you okay with him putting you on the back burner and not putting you in the front, like letting people know that he picked you? Because you were kind of, I don't believe you. I'm going to be honest, Hillary. I don't doubt some of the stuff that you were saying, but I'm going to be honest, I don't agree with the fact that she want clout, because this girl have kept her mouth closed for so long. And when they do decide to talk after they keep their mouth closed for so long, I don't think that they seeking clout, because I think they could have been got it a long time ago. So I wouldn't say that she want clout, because she could have got it a long time ago. She could have literally got it. So I'm just saying this. But with that being, I'm just being fair by saying that. So with that being said, let me go ahead and say this. Are you okay with being put on the back burner while he deal with other women? Are you okay with that? Are you okay with that, Shy Girl? Y'all can't hear me?
I feel like I hear you. We're not together right now. He told me he was interested. I said I was interested. Being interested is not equivalent to being together. So I'm not necessarily pressed about, like, maybe so much, like, Boss Life, that's his woman. He's with her. But he was more so saying he's interested in me. So he picked me to, like, just based on the poly shit, audition shit. But for real, like, I'm a grown ass woman. I'm not gonna be pressed about somebody talking to me or giving me the time of day if I'm not giving them that same energy. It's a mutual thing. So okay. I'm not pressed.
Okay, were you ever a stripper in your life, like a dancer? I would say a dancer. Were you ever a dancer?
No. Never? I was a waitress, a bottle service waitress for one summer. That's about it. I mostly, like, while I was in school, I worked in restaurants.
You ain't never sell your body or nothing?
I didn't say UCLA, dumb bitch. I said Cal State LA. No. I didn't say no. That was someone else.
But you answered that question very slow. It wasn't a right away, like,
hey, that's what I'm saying. That was the girl who sounded like me. That's why I came up here in the first place. But you know what?
No, I had her muted. I had her muted the whole time. That wasn't her. That was you, because I had her muted the whole time. Did you just lie like that? I had her muted. That was you, girl.
I said no like that?
Yes, you did. I had her muted. Did you just lie like that? I had her muted, girl, the whole time. That was you. That was you who said no like that. Wow.
Who said, did you just copy me and say no? So then who said it back? You said it and you imitated me?
I said, did you just really say no like that? Like, no, like that. That's what I said.
No, I'm saying someone imitated the way I said no then, because I heard it on my end, and I know it didn't just echo. If that's the way I said it, but I'm not lying. I'm saying I heard someone else say no, but no.
You were the only one talking. Drama just said you said no way too slow. You said no, but you were
so she imitated me. Got it. Okay. I said no slow. I'm literally processing all the questions Drama's trying to throw at me, but I really don't even have to answer none of your questions for real. Like,
so let me ask you this.
You're right, but I'm not disrespecting you.
What?
I'm not disrespecting you, though.
Nope, she's not. So, what I wanted to ask you is that if you see all the stuff that's going down with Boss Life, and Korea is making it very clear, she said verbatim, no other woman. Why would you think that you're going to have a chance and Boss Life doesn't even have one?
I'm gonna be honest. I zoned out. I didn't even listen to nothing he said.
Why?
Because I'm reading the comments.
Well, don't read the comments. I'm asking you a question. I just said, you see what's playing out in front of Boss Life regarding Korea. She said, no other woman. Why would you put yourself in the same situation where TKO will have to sneak and see you?
I don't think it would be sneaking because Korea knows as well.
But Korea says she don't want no other woman involved.
Okay, but Korea addresses me, and what they said yesterday in their own live is that any woman will be not with Korea, but with him and Armani. Because Korea doesn't want nobody else. That's what they said in their own live.
Okay, you're not making any sense. In that case, he could just take on Boss Life. If that means she doesn't want anyone, that means
and he probably is taking on Boss Life. And if she,
Korea is way too jealous. If she is worried about him screwing Boss Life, what makes you think she's not going to have the same shit about you? Which says, okay, deal with Amani. And Amani been with him for 17 years.
Because he's going to deal with who he wants to deal with. He's going to deal with who he wants to deal with. And if she's truly poly, she's going to have to deal with it too.
Okay,
listen, what I don't understand is why y'all get upset.
Okay, well, we don't have to be with her.
Hold on,
and you won't be with him because guess what? He will pin all three of you morons.
Exactly, Cookie. 1 second, let me ask y'all a question. What I don't understand is why do you women get up here so defensive, okay? Against people opening up the light and having honest questions for y'all. Go get up here so angry and so defensive, and I'm getting sick of it. What, lying bitch? You're a lying ass bitch. You came up here lying. Drop down all you want. You did not come up here being truthful. You lied to my fucking face. Let's talk about it. You came up here lying. Drop down all you want. You did not come up here. Face. She came up here lying to my face. Like I'm giving y'all respect. I'm giving you whores the benefit of the doubt. And y'all coming up in here playing in my face, getting cocky with it, getting attitudes, getting crazy. And I give you hoes respect. I don't treat y'all like hoes like TKO treats.
Where'd you meet this area? In the coffee shop where I work. He came in about a month ago. We exchanged numbers. We met up at a diner after work one night. Next day he called and asked me to go hiking. We got there first. We smoked a joint in the parking lot.
Do you remember his car?
Mustang. New. It didn't even have plates yet.
So tell us what happened on that trail.
Just try to relax. You're doing great.
About halfway up the trail, he asked me if I brought my phone. He wanted me to film myself on the story live. I thought that was odd. I told him that I wanted to go back, and he got angry.